Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm taking your monthly reading for the month of February 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Aries. I've already pulled out the oracle cards here just to save time because I've used different oracle decks to pull out these cards. So I haven't checked these cards yet, but yeah, I will be taking tarot on cam. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see how the month of February is going to be for the sign of Aries. Let's begin. Four of Wands. I do see you having a happy time spent with your friends and family. You are starting of the month feeling happy, content, excited, or satisfied. I feel like there is something to do with the happy time that you spent. More than as if you are going to have a happy time now. It's more of something that you recently ended. Maybe for some of you might have traveled back home, or from back home you're now traveling away from the family. It is something that has been spent, that has been shared. The excitement, the fun has happened is what I'm picking up. So you are entering the month feeling very relaxed, your energies are very refreshed and all. I feel you very positive right now around your in emotional fulfillment right now. I do see you very satisfied and happy. Let's see more cards here. Wow, Ace of Cups. For some of you, you might be getting very emotional. Very emotional. For those of you who are completely single, I feel like maybe the family time that you spent, maybe you have met a few new people in those gatherings that you had with your family, where you have a strong chance of meeting somebody for yourself. When it comes to your love life, especially if you are single, there is a strong chance of you getting some sort of a message, communication coming from a person that you've connected to in those family gatherings. For some of you, you might have had some sort of maybe you are going to feel nostalgic about some gatherings that you attended recently. It can be an engagement party of your friend, it can be a any sort of gatherings, celebrations of some kind you might have recently had. Maybe for some of you it's going to be the time when you are going to miss the Christmas time that you spent with your friends and family. Maybe somebody from that time is going to reach out to you. There's somebody that you connected around that time might be reaching out to you. Maybe you spent your New Year night with a few friends, or maybe you made new friends around that time. So it's going to be that kind of a thing where you are basically connecting to somebody that you had a good time with. And this person is going to bring you nostalgic feelings around the past that you had, or the time that you spent together. Or if not just that, maybe there is somebody from the past reaching out to you with an offer, with some sort of connection to offer, with some sort of a bond to share, which is definitely going to make you not just nostalgic, but it's going to make you feel very happy and content. You are going to remember those happy times spent together with this person, and this person is going to be like making you feel like as if this is a miraculous thing that is happening right now. This person coming in your life is going to make you feel good. Let's see more cards here. Wow, the Empress. This person could be somebody who see you as their potential life partner. I do see you getting marriage proposal here from majority of you. Let's see more cards here. Wow, this person is somebody that you have spent some time with. It can be an ex, it can be a soulmate, it can be a childhood sweetheart, somebody from the past is what I'm picking up. Somebody is connecting to you again from the past. Somebody you have spent some time together is what I'm picking up. Let's see more cards here. The offer the cup has taken there, it's time to come to you. This person, I feel like there has been a lot of gap between the two of you in terms of the time this person took to reach out to you. There could have been some sort of a silence between the two of you in this recent times. This person is reaching out to you after a long period of time is what I'm picking up. Maybe you have met this person way back in, like, means it could be like 2-3 months ago that you last spoke to this person, like around maybe the Christmas time or something around those lines. Maybe you connected to this person, maybe 2 months back to 3 months back time. I feel like there has been some sort of a stagnation in this connection. There was no communication, no talks between the two of you, and suddenly this person is now reaching out to you again, making you feel nostalgic, and there has been a pause between the two of you. The pause could have been because of their obsession around something else. Maybe they worked, maybe there was another person in their life, maybe they were obsessed with that person that time, maybe they were obsessed with their own, like, financial gains and stuff. But this person is definitely your soulmate. This person is entering in your life. This is going to happen out of nowhere. You would not be expecting this person to reach out to you, because maybe you have felt that this is over, the connection is finished, the connection is done, and it's never going to change. Things will never change between you and this person, because this person, hold on, let's ask, why did you end at first place? This person was not committing to you earlier. Why they are coming back now to offer you stability and happy home life? So I feel like this person is definitely coming back in your life. This is somebody that you have known. This person really making you feel nostalgic about the past that you had with this person. This person had their guards up against you for some reasons. Maybe they were not ready to commit. Maybe they were just pulling themselves away from you. But now they do see you as their potential future life partner is what I'm picking up. Whatever it was that was holding them back from this connection, now they are going to be talking to you. They are going to be coming forward with the cup of love to offer to you. This connection took its due time to come to fruition. The love offer that you're receiving, it's happening out of nowhere. It's gonna come this month, but it's gonna be so unexpected. Maybe you felt this connection is over, but it's not. Gold attract abundance. The person that you are dealing with could be very rich, is what I'm picking up. Like I said, they have been addictively following their work related stuff. This person is somebody who's very much materialistic, is what I'm picking up. They follow, they chase their dreams regarding finances and gold and abundance and all those kind of things, materialistic things. Friendship, nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. I feel like there was lack of friendship in this connection as well. So this person could be reaching out to you with the friendship to offer first, and then you are going to start talking to each other again, and that's how your bond is going to strengthen. For some of you, even if this person is somebody from the past, maybe they might have never expressed their love for you, but this time they are going to be ready to put effort into this connection, to be friends with you first and then see how the connection evolves. You know what to do. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. You will be having some sort of guidance already around this connection. What needs to be done? The universe has been communicating to you. Try to understand the message coming from the universe. Give your cares and worries to us angels and allow us to take your burdens. If you have been very concerned about this connection that you had with a specific someone, if you think that you missed the time that you had with a specific someone, you missed them, especially knowing that the Valentine's Day is here in this month, maybe you're gonna think of them. That could be the reason why you're getting nostalgic around the times that you spent with this person. Hold on. So I feel like in that situation too, you really need to let go of your worries around this connection, around your maybe you feel like, I'm single, I don't know how my Valentine's Day is going to be like. Leave your worries and concerns to God. Just surrender it to the divine. Let it take care of everything. No matter when this person reaches out to you, it's gonna happen this month. Whether it happens before 14th of Feb, whether it happens after that, you really need to stay positive. You really need to believe that things are happening. You just don't need to over exaggerate the 14th Feb in your mind. Don't feel low, don't feel bad, blocked in any way, thinking that when this person didn't reach out to you, maybe they are not interested in you. Whoever this person is that you are thinking about is going to be the soulmate for you. All you need to do is to have patience, stay positive, and let it happen. Acceptance. Just go with the flow right now. That's very important for you. A fiery climax approaches. Let's see a few more cards here. I feel like, the person that you're dealing with, they are really holding themselves back right now from this connection. They are not in the picture as of now, but I do see them coming in your life. I do see them coming in your life. Right now, maybe they are completely out of touch with you. They don't talk to you. Let's see, why don't they talk to you right now? What is it? They are trying to manifest their dreams and wishes and goals. They are busy with that one thing, whatever it is that they want, but they are not going to get it. It can be a person as well. It can be a job, career goal, or something along those lines. Like I said, this person is somebody who's very materialistic as well. So this person could be working towards their goals and financial goals, work goals, career goals. They are trying to manifest something for themselves right now. Maybe that's why they are not talking to you. Maybe they don't want to share it out, but they will not get it. They are going to get hurt in the process. Yeah, they will give up on it. Whatever it is that is keeping them busy right now, be that another person, be that another situation that they are dealing with right now, they will end that thing up because that's how it is meant to happen. So then they are going to come back. Now they might stumble upon a failure in their work scenario. If they have been ignoring you, neglecting you for their work, career goals, or whatever it was, the family or another person, maybe for some of you, this person is going to make a comeback to you because you and this person are soulmates. So yeah, there's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of February. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. So yep, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.